So I'm here with Jason from Staffordshire Oatcakes. So Jason, how many oatcakes do you make a day?
So usually it can be anywhere between about 50 and 100 dozen that we cook in a day. It just depends on how many orders we've got in.
And can you tell us something about the history of the Staffordshire Oatcakes?
Okay. So the oatcakes go back hundreds of years in the local area. Originally, due to the Pennines and the moorlands, wheat didn't grow very well in the local area, so there was a lot more oats grown.
Yeah.
And the original oatcakes were a lot thicker than the oatcakes that we have now. And they used to be made literally on stone slabs, which were called bake stones.
Yeah.
And then as time's gone on, eventually shops came. Mostly they were in sort of kitchens or living rooms with terrace houses and see-through windows. But the people who make oatcakes still refer to the hot plates as Baxtons now, which came from baking stone years ago. Originally, oatcake shops would just spend all night cooking plain oatcakes, whereas now there's a lot more in terms of doing filled oatcakes, and people have them when they're going, and then people just take some home to do for breakfast at the weekend.
Okay. And what's the ingredients?
Okay, so in oatcakes,
bit secret.
in oatcakes you have water, oatmeal. There's some wheat flour now, which I think used to be years ago. There's usually salt, bicarbonate of soda, and then what you have to do is put the mix in usually the night before to allow time for the yeast to work.
Yep.
Otherwise, rather than getting the little aeration holes in the oatcakes as to cook, they tend to shrink up if the mix doesn't work properly.
Okay. And what flavours do people normally go for?
Okay, so if people are having them filled, some people will just come in and ask for the oatcakes just as they are occasionally and just eat them as they come off warm.
Yep.
But generally, the most sort of common fillings is bacon and cheese or sausage and cheese or just cheese on its own.
Okay. And I don't eat meat, so what do you recommend for me to have?
A lot of people have either cheese and mushroom or cheese and egg or cheese and beans.
Cheese and...
So there's a good mixture. Cheese and beans quite a lot of people have, yeah.
Cheese and beans?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll have a cheese and beans. And just one last question, how long have you been doing this one?
Okay, so I've been at this shop for nearly 6 years, but I've actually been cooking oatcakes for nearly 16 years
16
now.
years.
Yeah.
Cool, excellent, thank you. So cheese and beans for me then?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, so to me, and then... Okay, let's make sure it doesn't get too... obviously I'm a roller. Okay. How do I eat this?
It will be hot as well.
Yeah, it's going to go everywhere, isn't it? I've no idea how to get this into my mouth. Okay. It's great. Fantastic. Very cheesy.